And the problem is it the model can be trained on the prompts that are put in, and so you risk exposing your confidential information if you put it in with the original Chat GPT. Now, there's some, if you get an enterprise version or if you have click a button, you can try to avoid the use of your data for training. But that was a risk that I identified. And so I said, I'm going to start doing some talks about, the potential risk associated with using Gen AI. And I started that in early 2023, gave a couple of presentations. And then I was getting ready for one presentation with the Plano Chamber of Commerce on the state of AI. Included some speakers from Microsoft and Google as well, talking about their technology. And of course, I'm kind of the naysayer, not a
Yeah,
naysayer, but
yeah,
I'm kind of the guy that has to rain on people's parades and say, look,
yeah,
you got to be careful about what you're doing.
right.
Um, and so anyway, I did that, and also I met with a gentleman named Rob Taylor before the event, and I found out he had been vetting many use cases already for Gen AI. And so we decided to partner up, and he joined our firm. We started up what we're calling the AI Triage Center, and that's what we use to describe, all the services that we provide related to Gen AI, from the initial development of the software or the products that you might be implementing to developing agreements, consent forms, etc., that you
Mm,
might need with the application of Gen AI. And then also protecting the IP associated with it. So if you need to file a patent application on the technology that you have developed, even if it might be based on a working model, I mean, somebody else's model, like
right.
OpenAI's model, you can still get patent protection on the way that you're using it. And so we advise clients in that area and help them secure intellectual property, as well as stay out of hot water, when it comes to the compliance issues.